Okay guys, so if you haven't seen the video where I share with you guys my 9-month protective style challenge plan, go check that out because this is pretty much a follow-up video to that video. I'm still talking about the 9-month protective style challenge. However, in this video I'm going in a little bit of detail about the care of it, the installation, the takedown, all of that. Okay, so if you're interested in this video, keep watching. All right, so aggressive length retention this year 2024, if you're not aware of it, go check those videos out because this video is pretty much a continuation of that. We are protective styling our hair quite a bit this year to retain the most length that we can. Okay, now in the previous video regarding the 9-month protective style plan, I shared with you guys the styles that I'll be wearing. Go check that out if you're interested. However, the times that I'll be leaving the style in, so guys, if you haven't noticed, it's pretty much 2 to 3 months. Okay, so I will be leaving the styles, the protective styles, in for 2 months on end, or 3 months. My goal is 3 months as much as possible. So of course within that 3 months we'll be caring for our hair, looking after our hair, etc. So let's talk about all of that because it's important, right? So if the style is going to be in my hair for 3 months, I aim to wash every 6 weeks. That way I don't have excessive amounts of washing that's required with the hair. With washing every 6 weeks, it means that I'm pretty much in the middle of the protective style where I give myself a nice wash, refresh my hair, and continue on for the later half of the protective style challenge. If I take them down at the 2-month mark, I would try to wash them maybe once, but again, I will have to sort of just see how my hair is doing, how my scalp is doing, etc. You guys know that I can go for quite a long time without really shampooing my hair because my scalp is quite well regulated. 1, I scoop and spread my sebum off the scalp to the rest of my hair. 2, and I use essential oils. Those are antimicrobial, antibacterial. Tea tree is a game changer. If you absolutely need to, apple cider vinegar, like 1:2, so 1 tablespoon apple cider, 2 tablespoons water. Grab like a cotton pad and just rub your scalp. That actually gives you a good cleanse. Apple cider is underrated, so there you have it. That's what I would do if at all I'm having issues with my protective style on my scalp. I've already shared with you guys why I'm doing this, the benefits, etc. Go check the video before this one with regards to that issue. However, the main thing is just looking good in my styles, wearing styles that I love, retaining length, freeing myself a little bit of time because there ain't no time, and pretty much manageability as well. So I'm in a point in my life where I actually don't have time for my hair, so I need to find ways to manage my hair, so to speak. Installation. You guys, I am not good with installing my own hair. Who does hair where you are? Because I need help. I have advocated for doing your own hair. I've encouraged people to learn how to do their own hair. Mini twist is pretty much the only thing I can do. Mini twist, flat twist, African threading, braids a little bit, maybe cornrows. We need to learn, relearn. I knew how to do it at some stage, but I think I've lost the skill. But guys, doing your own hair is not a breeze, particularly if you're gonna do like a weave, crochet, things like that. Like you, hands up in the air, you know, trying to. It's not easy. It's not easy. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and install my own hair. Let me just say that I'll try. However, because I want styles to last long, because I want my cornrows to be well installed, I want them to have longevity, I want the partings to be, you know, quite clean. Okay, so we don't have matting and hair tugging or pulling each other. Do you know what I mean? Or breakage or thinning. I might get someone to install the hair. I do not know who that's gonna be because my friend Tadiwa, who usually does my hair, decided to move. So yeah, I am stuck. Like I don't even know who I can go to do my hair. Someone that can work with me with regards to being gentle and not being tight. Because guys, if you put control into someone else's hands, you're already risking setbacks because that person, yeah, they could be ripping your hair out as they do the style. So yeah, wish me luck on this as I hunt or look for someone that can install my hair or help me at least with the cornrows. But yeah, if you're doing this and you're good with hair, God bless you. Like, you have such a gift. Do it yourself. It's such a blessing to be able to do it yourself. I'm at a point in my life where there is no time for me to be learning. I can't be on a mannequin trying to sew it. Like, I don't have to. I barely have time to brush my teeth, let alone learn how to do hair on a mannequin. That time of my life has passed. Maybe it'll come back later in life when my child is older. I don't know, but at this point, no. Of course, with hair, I like to pre-wash, pre-condition before I put the hair in. This is true for human hair, synthetic hair, whatever hair I use. I will definitely be washing, conditioning the hair. We have learned this the hard way, particularly with synthetic kinky hair. Like, you must wash and condition, okay, to soften the hair and also to remove any unknowns. So that's what I'll be doing. And of course, we're using hair that's like, I'm using hair that's my own texture, mainly kinky straight hair, or, you know, like blowout looks. The reason I'm not doing like an afro or super curly hair is because I don't want them to be managing that as well as my own hair. So like, straighter hair is just easier to manage. You can brush it, you can do it easier than more, you know, coily hair, if you know what I mean. Also, the look that I'm going for is not an afro, and it's not really a full bulky style. I want something that is a bit light that I can run around with. So yeah, kinky straight. I shared in my previous video that I'll be using human hair. I'll be trying to look for ethically sourced and also toxic free synthetic hair. At the moment, I've not really been able to find human hair that I can say for sure is ethically sourced. So I just got cheap hair from Temu at the moment, and yeah, it's a good way for me to try that hair out as well. So that's what's happening for now. Maintenance, I'm gonna be washing, like I said, every 6 weeks for a 3-month protective style challenge. I will be conditioning my hair and of course moisturizing. I plan to still continue using glycerin because, girl, nothing comes close. How I'm gonna do it, I'll probably put all my ingredients in one bottle, shake it up, and then put it in the cornrows. Another idea I had was to use a steamer. I've got a steamer. I might put just a good amount of glycerin in there and just concentrate it on my scalp and my hair after wash day, just to really get that humectant in the hair and hydrate the hair for longer. So yeah, wish me luck with that. I plan, of course, to not be walking around with wet hair, so I'll be blow drying the extensions, and I might use my hooded dryer attachment to dry my own hair, or maybe just part the hair in such a way that I can aerate my real hair and dry it in 3 hours tops. I'm not going to be spending a whole day with wet hair. We don't want mildew or mold in our hair. Like, yeah, I know you can air dry these weaves and crochet, etc., but I'm just not gonna do it at this stage to save time, and also just, yeah, to be sure. Like, I'm not taking any chances, so to speak. My scalp, you guys know, my tried and tested jojoba oil mixed with tea tree and what else is in here? Peppermint, I think. I've shared a full video on my scalp routine. If you haven't seen it, check it out. But my jojoba oil is what I will be using on my scalp, even while wearing protective styles. I think even more so while wearing protective styles, because really now we really want the antibacterial, now we really want anti-itch, we really want a scalp that is healthy underneath that protective style. So that's my scalp. Takedown, honestly, particularly with weaves, I am going to be getting my husband to take them down, or if I can get a friend, yeah, I'm gonna get someone to take it down. I might do the majority of it once maybe the cotton is snipped and all the knots are taken out. Fine, I can undo my own hair and I can take down my own cornrows, right? No problem. But when it comes to the weave itself, I am really gonna get someone to remove that, because I've had an experience where I've cut my hair before, and I know it can be done, but it's just a little bit tedious, and I'm not gonna take any chances. Like, after putting in all this work trying to grow my hair, and then you snip while taking off the protective style. No, girl, no. So I'll be using my husband to get the hair out. All right, guys, that's it. That's pretty much how I'll be looking after my hair in the styles. the goal really here is to look good, to feel good, to enjoy my hair, to protect your style, and to mimic my own hair as much as possible. And of course, free some time. Instead of spending hours detangling, redoing twists, sitting down, redoing twists, I'm really just gonna chill out. I'm gonna chill out for a bit with my hair, guys, because I'm at that stage where all I can do is eat, sleep, look after my baby, cook some chores, maybe YouTube. But there is really no time for anything else, okay? So guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what tips you have for this venture that I'm on, what you've tried, what you haven't tried, what you would recommend or not recommend. I'm really keen to hear about, what's worked for you. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.